Hi everyone, I am Chandrasekhar, Team Lead Digital Marketing at Malgo. As Malgo complete 2 years, this moment means more than just a number. The journey was not smooth. The early days, we had limited resources, constant pressure, and a fast-changing market. Some strategies failed, some campaigns failed, some strategy did not work. There were times when the results were slow and expectations were high. But we did not stop. We learned from every mistakes, improved our approach, and stay consistent. Step by step, we understand our audience better and focused creating real value instead of chasing quick wins. I want to take a moment to appreciate our marketing team. Every member put the effort beyond roles, late night, constant learning and adapting again and again. This growth would not be possible without the commitment. And also I want to thank CEO Venkat, whose input and clarity played a high role shaping the marketing direction. His guidance helped us think bigger, learn better, and grow smarter. Today, Malgo stands strong with a clear brand, better system, and growing trust in the market. And this is just a beginning. Proud to be a part of this journey. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohan Pandi. I am a senior developer at Malgo Technologies. I had the privilege of joining the company at its very inceptions, which given me a unique privilege on how far we have come and the efforts taken to take this place. Being the part of this journey from the ground level has been both challenging and incredibly rewarding. When we started, we faced numerous challenges. Building a capable and dedicated team from scratch is not easy. We had to define a clear vision for the company and ensures that our ideas translated into innovative solutions that could stand out in a highly competitive market. Over the years, our company has crossed several significant milestones. From the early days in the brainstorming ideas in small team meeting to deliver our first major product. Ensuring that these achievements have been in the results of hard work, collaborations, and unwavering focus on excellence. Today, we are standing as a recognized player in the industry. One key aspect that set us apart is strong focus on blockchain technology, which we use to build secure, scalable, and robust digital solutions. Being a part of the company, we have seen our growth and proudly contributed to it. Our team's resilience, creativity, and determinations make every challenges into progress. I am excited for what's ahead as we keep innovating and setting new standards. Thank you.
Hi, I am Nagalashmi as a business development executive at Malgo. So I started here 3 months ago. So initially already I had an experience in this role, but I was very new at this blockchain domain. So in the beginning I struggled very much to understand the concepts and the projects. So however our founders helped me to throughout the learning process. So first they are advised me to interact with the team and understand how they are working in the project's concepts. So in this the practical exposure, the best way to gain the knowledge. And gradually I collaborated to team, and they are very helped to me understand the concepts and their explanations in the simple way to gain the knowledge. It helped me to build more confidence in these projects and gain the knowledge. And also I was very nervous in the client interactions, and my mentor also guided me first totally understand our clients are not only the business in the beginning. First we need to build a rapport with them. So after understanding this, I was at the most confident to interact with the clients. Now I am very much confident to client interactions, and I really proud to handle the projects very well. And I would like to thank the team, this amazing team, and my mentors also. I feel very proud to be part of this team. Happy anniversary, Malgo.
Hi, I'm Monisha. I'm working as a blockchain developer at Malgo Technologies. So I started my career in Malgo as a developer intern with very basic knowledge about blockchain and IT culture at all. At the time I was really scared and confused about I had choose a correct path and how I adapt the situation and how I learned the things. But today I say confidently I had choose a correct path and way because of the Malgo team. Here everyone is very friendly. Whenever I had a doubts or I ask anything to the colleagues, no one can refuse to help me. The team has really shaped and guided me at every stage by giving the constant support. Because of such a wonderful and supportive team, I was able to learn very quickly. Now I handling the blockchain projects individually in Solana and EVM. This is my first experience in my career, so it means a lot to me. The first step leads to a success. I think this is my first step. Definitely, this journey will help me to become a successful person in my life. Malgo truly knows how to build the people from the scratch to something special and something unique. And I'm very grateful to be part of the Malgo technologies and happy second year anniversary. Thank you, Malgo.
Hi everyone, I am Surya, Technical Lead, Malgo Technologies. Joining Malgo has been a very truly meaningful experience for me. From the beginning, I have worked on many challenging problems that pushed me to grow every single day. As I took on more responsibility, I have learned not just technology, but also about leadership, teamwork, and building solutions that it truly matters. What makes Malgo special? The people, the trust, the shared vision of us. We support each other, we learn together, we move forward as one team. I strongly believe that the future of Malgo is very bright. With this team and our vision, we are building something truly impactful. Thank you. Thanks for this opportunity and proud to be a part of Malgo's journey.
I'm proud to be a part of team in Malgo.
Friendly environment, excellent.
Malgo is where effort turns into excellence.
Malgo has been a transformative force in my career.
To be a part of Malgo.
I genuinely enjoy being a part of Malgo.
It's a great place to create and learn.